Not super comfortable on this part. Not done a lot of plumbing in my day. But I think it should be pretty straightforward. I haven't used this stuff very much. It's just the ABS glue. I think I probably have like 5 or 10 seconds to get it level before it just sets. So my plan is to get everything in place. I think as I'm pushing it down, I'm just gonna leave this level on there. So that way I push it to level. I don't have to grab a level and try and fight the glue afterwards. So we'll see how it goes. Whew. Stuff is strong. Oh, almost gave me a heart attack. I'm level as shit.